Hello guys, welcome back. Last time we are looking at the laws of indices, and today let's try to work out with the question that falls under the indices. So the question reads, question 1, solve, solve the following. If we have Roman numerical 1, we have 2 power x plus 2 times x plus 2, which is equals to 6 power 1 minus 2x. For Roman numerical 2, we have 2 power 2x minus 2 power x plus 1 equals minus 1. So let's try to find the solution. Solution 1. Solution 1, we have to analyze this. We have to look for laws of indices. Like I said, this one falls under when the powers are same, then we're going to multiply this one times this one. So we're going to do 2 power x plus 2 times 3x plus 2 equals 6 power 1 minus 2x. Then here we are going to multiply this one times this one because the powers are the same. Then we are going to do 2 by 3 in the brackets, then power x plus 2 equals 6 power 1 minus 2x. Then here it will be 2 times this one, it will be 6 power x plus 2 equals 6 power 1 minus 2x. So now the bases are same. We're just going to get the powers. Then it will be x plus 2 equals 1 minus 2x. Then here we are going to correct the right term. As you can see, this one, when it comes here, it will be x plus 2x equals 1. When this one goes other side, it will be minus 2. Then x plus 2x equals 1 minus 2, it will be minus 1 because we are subtracting from smaller number. Then x plus the 2x, it will be 3x equals minus 1. Then we are going to divide the broad by 3, which is x equals minus 1 over 3. That's the final answer. So let's try to analyze question 2. Question 2, we have 2 power 2x minus 2 power x plus 1 equals minus 1. Here the most common important thing, we have the same bases but different powers. Even here there's minus. So here what we have to do, this, as you can see, this one, for it to be 2 power 2x, there is a law which was used, the law of powers. Then it will be 2 power 2 in the bracket, then power x, because when we multiply this one times this one, it will be 2x. That's the law of powers. Then here there was a, I think there was a division. If we have 2 power x times 2, because here it is power 1, So that's where this one comes from. It will be minus c plus 1 here. So here let's y be 2 power x. Then we are going to substitute where there is the x power 2. Where there is x power 2, we substitute with the y. Then here is going to be here there is the power 2x, as you can see. So it will be y squared with this y squared minus 2. Here there is y, as you can see there is y times the 2, it will be 2y equals minus 1. So y squared minus 2y plus 1 equals 0. Then here we are going to use the quadratic key. We are going to use the factorization method. Here the product is 1 and the sum is 2. So we are going to look for two numbers such that when we multiply, it will give us 1. When we subtract or add, it will give us 2. And those numbers are 1, minus 1, and the minus 1. So it will be y squared minus 1 minus y, because this one minus y, it will be 2y plus 1 equals 0. When we multiply 1 times 1, negative 1 times negative 1, it will be positive 1. So here we are going to factor out now. What's a common here? It's y. So it will be y, open brackets, y into y squared, it will be y minus y into y, 1 plus minus here what's common, it's minus 1. Minus 1 into y, it will be y, minus 1. So here all this one must be same. So it will be y minus 1 equals 0, or y minus 1 equals 0. So same, it will be y equals 1. So now when y equals 1, then other y equals 2 power x. Then we are going to equate this one. Then it will be 2 power x equals 1. 2 power x equals 1. So here, for it to be 1, there was a number which was raised to power 0, because there is that law which states that any number to power 0 is 1. So the number, we have to make sure that the bases are same. So here it will be 2 power x equals 2 power 0, because any number to power 0 is 1. So bases are same. We just get the value for x. Then x it will be 0. That's the final answer. Thank you for watching.